welcome to my videos. So guys, few things you should always remember when you are driving under uh, difficult conditions, like during a heavy snowfall, as today I was driving. I want to show you something that I skipped just because of my strategy. Otherwise I could have been in a huge trouble today. So today morning it was snowing all across GT and I was also driving, and when I was driving and I had to take a turn, see there's a school bus ahead of me that stops. Now at this moment I also try to stop. I was just pushing my brake hard, but my car was still moving. But still I managed to stop the car with a certain distance in between. You know why? Because I was maintaining a proper gap. This is very important when you drive under icy conditions and adverse situation. Because of that gap I survived today. Still, like what happened when I pressed my brake, my car was like skidding, or you can say slipping on the snow or ice, whatever, because you can see the roads were not blocked that time when it happened. So had I not maintained a proper gap, there could have been anything, but just because I maintained proper gap, things worked in my favor, and I just managed to I just managed to stop it in time, and there was absolutely no collision. So along with winter tires are really good. I can't imagine if this situation I would have encountered on a all season or other kind of tire. But because of winter tire I survived, and I'm telling you guys, like, see this, let me just show you. From this point it's, I'm not sure if you can hear the vibration or not, maybe not, but I was this time I was like really pressing the brake hard because my car was still sleeping. And definitely you don't want to mess with a school bus, right? Never. Thank god it stopped much before that, and all my distance maintaining strategy paid off. So this is what I would like to say, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.